Hello, and welcome back to LearnSBOM. I'm Matt, and today we will be looking at the SBOM Scorecard tool from eBay. SBOM Scorecard is a tool to help quantify and score a generated SBOM file. There are three methods to install SBOM Scorecard. You can download the pre-compiled platform-appropriate binary from the project's release page, you can use Go install in a command line interface, or you can clone and run the tool by source. For this demo, I will be installing the tool using Go install. I have copied the link to the tool already and will enter it into the command line interface. We can check if the tool was successfully installed using the following command, SBOM-scorecard help. As we can see, the tool was successfully installed as it was able to output the available commands for SBOM Scorecard. Outside of the help command, SBOM Scorecard only has two available commands to use, completion and score. For this demo, we will only be looking at the score command. Let's generate a score for an SBOM file. We can take a look at how the score command works with the following input, SBOM-scorecard score-h or --help. For the score command, the only required component is to specify the path to the SBOM file, or if we are already in a directory with an SBOM file, we need to specify the file to score. For this demo, I have a folder of sample SBOMs provided by the tool's repository to showcase SBOM Scorecard. Let's generate the score for one of those example SBOMs. SBOM-scorecard score photon.sbdx.json. Here, we can see that SBOM Scorecard generated a table formatted output for the score of the SBOM, along with each criteria, the number of points for a metric, and reasoning behind those points. SBOM Scorecard scores SBOMs under three main metrics. 1. Is the SBOM spec compliant, which is about 25% of the total score? 2. Does the SBOM have information about how it was generated, which is about 15% of the total score? And 3. For every package, are their IDs defined? And for every license, do they have versions or SHAs, and do they have their licenses defined? This is split amongst all direct dependency packages, making up the last 60% of the score. By default, the tool will do its best to guess what type of SBOM the file is. However, if it guesses incorrectly, scores will not be generated for the given SBOM file. This can be prevented by specifying the SBOM type before generating the score by using the following flag, --SBOM type. You will need to specify which type of format your SBOM file is, either SBDX for SBDX files or CDX for CycloneDX files. So, for this example, I would type in SBDX. If you type in the incorrect SBOM type, for example, CDX for this photon file, the tool should output a 0% score. You can also modify the output of the score results. This can be done with the following flag, --output format. There are only two output types available. The default is the text format, which can be seen in the table format above. The other format is JSON. This can be done by adding it as a parameter for the flag. As we can see, the score is now outputted in the style of a JSON file. SBOM Scorecard can also display the specifics of each criteria method by inputting the following flag, --debug. When we run this command, above the overall score, you can see specifics about the SBOM that was tested, along with percentages on certain aspects that led to the generated overall score. However, I do wish that the tool was even more specific on each package and showcase which packages contained or missed the criteria. Overall, SBOM Scorecard is an easy-to-use tool and does a solid job of producing a score for generated SBOMs. I still have concerns though about the tool guessing the type of SBOM. While they do have a specified flag to designate the SBOM type, I hope that there are changes to make the tool as accurate as possible in determining the SBOM type. This tool is early in its development, having only been worked on since late 2022, so I have faith that changes and new implementations are to come. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out and contact us at LearnSBOM.com.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.